the best travel apps you need to download. Are you ready for your next trip to your favorite destination? We're sure it'll be fun. But hey, do you have your digital travel buddies with you? Oh no, don't tell us you haven't downloaded the best travel apps already. Well, the good thing is you still can, and here are the ones you need to get ASAP. Navigation necessities. Let's start with must-have navigation apps so you can never get lost again. Picture this, you've just landed, the city's buzzing around you, and you're ready to dive in. But where to first? This is where Google Maps comes in, the granddaddy of navigation, helping you find everything from the cozy cafe on the corner to the city's best-kept secret spots. It's real-time, it's reliable, and it's got your back whether you're on foot, wheels, or public transport. But let's say you're feeling adventurous, ready to wander where Wi-Fi is unavailable. That's where Citymapper steps up. It's like having a local buddy in your pocket, showing you the quickest, cheapest, and most efficient way around town. And for those off-grid adventures, when you're going where the streets have no names, Maps.me is your trusty sidekick. Download those maps before you go, and you're the master of your own journey, internet or not. Accommodation finders. Do you wish to find from 5 stars to cozy corners with a few taps? With these apps, finding your next accommodation will be a breeze. Sure, there's Airbnb for that local touch, but don't overlook Booking.com for hotels or Hostel World for that backpacker community vibe. And if you're all about authentic experiences, Couchsurfing has your back, sometimes for free. Flight trackers. For those of you who prefer plane trips, apps like Skyscanner and Hopper are your ticket to wallet-friendly skies. These apps help you hunt down the best deals out there. And with FlightAware, you're tracking your flight in real time, turning airport chaos into a breeze. Currency converters. When you're juggling yen, euros, or pesos, a quick tap on XE currency can save you from a math meltdown. And with Trail Wallet, your expenses are tracked, no more budget blunders. Foodie finds. Away from home in a new place and wish you could eat like a local? Yelp and TripAdvisor will guide you to the next mouth-watering meal. And for a taste of the local dining scene, Eat With offers meals by local hosts. Vegans and vegetarians, don't you worry, Happy Cow's got your back. These apps are your secret ingredient because eating well is part of traveling well. Language genies. Duolingo's great to brush up on language basics, and with Google Translate or iTranslate in your pocket, you're speaking and understanding like a local. These apps break down those language walls because connecting with people is what travel's all about. Rideshares and rentals. Uber and Lyft, check. But in places like Southeast Asia or India, you've got Grab and Ola. And for those who want the freedom of their own set of wheels, Turo and Getaround are your go-tos. Why not take the driver's seat with these apps? Because the best road trips are the ones where you're in control. Packing assistance. Let's talk packing, it's an art, and PackPoint is your muse. It checks the weather and tailors your packing list, so you're always prepared. Because the only thing you should be worried about is how to fit in one more souvenir. Social connectors. Travel's nothing without people, right? Meetup and Facebook Local will help you find your tribe, no matter where you are. And for the solo explorers, Solo Traveler is your buddy for finding new friends on the go. Adventure aids. Calling all adventurers. All Trails is your gateway to the best hiking trails, and geocaching turns the world into a giant game of treasure hunt. These apps are your compass to adventure because the most memorable paths aren't always paved. Safety guards. And lastly, let's talk safety. TripWhistle gives you global SOS numbers at your fingertips, and Smart Traveler keeps you clued in on the latest travel alerts. Keep these apps close because staying safe means you can focus on the fun. That, dear friends, is your digital travel pack. What are your must-have travel apps? Drop them in the comments, and let's make everyone's travel easy-peasy. Need help with customized trips? Connect with 7 Seas Holidays today.